don't know the best way to do it. There is one more thing we should put in the hood here, so let's open it again. Let's see if we can fit this fenders, or what you call them. It will be a little bit harder now when the front bumper is in the place, because this extends in quite a bit. But it's easier to mount the front bumper when you can reach the bolts inside than with its installed first. So we will try to get this in. Don't know the best way to do it. And it should ride on a little thing here, like that. One bolt there, there. Oh, it comes together pretty easy. That went pretty good. It's this one left, but I take that later. I will take the other side first. And like that we are finished. There is one more thing we should put in the hood here, so let's open it again. It's this piece that goes under here. Need to have, I think it is sun protection. Today I think we're going to finish up some small things we haven't finished yet. We have to wet sand this area here, and I have another spot on the spoiler. We have to, let's see, finish the doors, put everything back together, and I think we have some cleaning to do inside here. It's lots of dust here, and we will mount the speaker system here like it was before, put the wheels back together, and give the car a good clean on the outside. I think that's almost everything. We should paint black on this lower part. And here is the wet sanding area we should do. I think that's all. Then later on we will handle the roof. So follow if you want to see how we change the roof on this one. Because it's a big crack here, and you can see, this is good to know. If you looking for buying one of these cars, and you can see this line here isn't straight, it's in a bow. That is that way because the wire inside has broke, so it's broken, and after a while you develop this crack here when you don't have the wire, because it's here the wire breaks, because that part tilts over pretty steep. And here we have door work too, and we probably have to clean up a bit in here. And of course the battery is not mounted yet, so we have to mount the battery and try every light in the front to see that they work proper. I haven't got this batch yet. I did get one in the wrong size, so I have ordered another one and hope for the best. And that's what we're going to do today. So yes, follow. We will start by fitting this door stop over here, but I'm looking at this door piece here, and they have drilled a hole here because they had a speaker like this. I don't like that. I really want to have new door panels. If you know someone that had this color, please let me know, because then I will change them. But for now we have to remount this speaker, and this looks crappy, so I will try to mount it from the outside and glue it or something to get a nicer fit. Have to do something about it. I don't use them. They have ripped the cables off and everything, but you have to cover up this ugly hole here. So let's see what we can do about that. You need to have some ventilation down here. So I can't completely shut this through. It seems like I should open it up a little bit more here, I think. We will have it like that, I think. Now we have some ventilation there. Just hot gluing everything in place. Probably could put something on here to help it hold in place. What should that be? And it will look like this. I hope we have enough space for this on the inside, but we will see soon. And it's not the nicest, but we'll get the work done. Look like this. This door size is really easy to install. It's a very quick job. Just put them on the stand in the bottom. And just see, so it's in the right position. Then you, there, you got it. And you have these small screws here, so help it a bit. A small one on this side. This around there, and we have another screw for that. Like that. One bigger one here. And we cover up that one with something like that. Then we have the handle. Three screws, one up here and two down here. And you often see these door sides is a bit carved in, and you get the gap here. I haven't fixed that on this one. This happened because the seats is pushing on this side here. The seat is often, let's see if you can see me, the seat is often collapsed on the sides here. These sides extend out and push in here. And when this get humid, it deforms. So that is a job we have to fix later. I think you maybe can wet it out and push it out, or you lay some fiberglass on the inside and force it in the right position. But I haven't done that yet. Like that. And then we have these. I have looked at this a lot. This is not original. And first I think, oh, who put these ugly things in? But I think I did it. In the end, before I sold it, I think I bought these things and put them in. But I'm not 100% sure. But it's what we got right now, so we put them in. Maybe I will change them for the black original later. It's these set screws that holds everything together, and sometimes they slip a bit, and I don't like that. There, that's one door complete. Let's take the other one. Let's do the same thing here. And now you have seen how I do it, so I can do it a bit faster. So just stand there and watch. This is actually the wrong screw. Let's see if I can find the right one. This screw is for the window mechanism, and we have no use for that one. It should be a screw to look like this. This is not the original one because someone had lost it, but this will work. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.